Welcome back. Today let's talk about two of my favorite EDC accessories, and yes, for me it's the ultimate iPhone and AirPods Case Combo, both crafted from walnut wood. The cases are both from Woodcessories, and no, this is not sponsored. I bought them for my everyday carry setup because they're a perfect match for my overall dark walnut setup here in my home office. First let's talk about the stunning walnut iPhone case, and for sure the natural wood and sleek design instantly catch the eye. And of course, paired with this AirPods case you've got a combination that not only looks good but also serves multiple purposes. And the first one is of course the aesthetic appeal. These walnut cases are perfect to create a unique touch of style to your EDC or your Apple devices. The warmth and richness of the wood is just great, and it ensures that your iPhone and AirPods stand out from the crowd. Since I'm slowly transforming my overall EDC and desk setup to a more darker walnut-based setup, these two cases were a perfect match. And that leads us straight to the next reason that we need to talk about. Reason number 2, the premium build quality. These cases are not just about the looks, they are crafted with precision and attention to detail. The walnut material is not only durable but also provides a comfortable and natural grip, making it a joy to hold. First and foremost, the precision fit of these cases is remarkable. They easily wrap around your iPhone and AirPods, providing full protection without adding unnecessary bulk. For sure the iPhone case is a bumper case, but I definitely need to say that I really like the fact that it's not a slim case. The cutouts for ports and buttons are perfectly designed, ensuring easy access and functionality. On top, the walnut material also provides a natural and comfortable grip, reducing the chances of accidental drops. And yes, that's really important for your everyday carry. For me, it's not only about protecting your devices, but also ensuring a secure and comfortable hold. What I also need to mention is that they are both perfect to avoid any scratches. Because yeah, the walnut material used in these cases is not only beautiful, but also resistant to scratches and daily wear. They can easily protect your gear, and that's for me super important because I want to use both devices for a long period of time. And the best part is that your iPhone and AirPods will still easily slide into your pocket, making these cases ideal for daily life. So investing in the right cases is highly recommended. The next reason to invest in cases like this one here is for sure the eco-friendly factor. Because yeah, walnut wood is a sustainable and renewable resource. By choosing these cases you are making an environmental decision, contributing to a greener planet, which is always great. On top, they are not one of these cheap plastic cases that can easily break, so these cases are made so you can use them for a long period of time. But now let's move on and let's talk about convenience a little bit. And yes, another reason is of course wireless charging. For sure, if you want to charge your devices using any additional chargers like the MagSafe battery pack or any multi-chargers, you can still easily check them out. Both cases are designed to support wireless charging, allowing you to charge your devices hassle-free. So yeah, there's no need to remove the cases every time you want to power up your devices. And yes, for me that's super important because I want to remove as many cables as possible from my desk setup, so wireless charging is the way to go. But yeah, at the end of the day, for me that's the ultimate walnut combo for your iPhone and AirPods. With its aesthetic appeal and the premium build quality, these cases are truly worth the investment. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this quick review, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.